Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I get to share with you guys this gorgeous book. So it is RongRong Holiday Limited Edition, and then I have the KellofaPlan strips and florals. So I'm going to share with you both. So here we go. This is the RongRong one. Look how gorgeous these stickers are. They're vibrant and fun. Look at that friendship one, that's gorgeous. Tis the season, deck the halls, it's just gorgeous. Warm wishes with the doggies. That cityscape is gorgeous, like truly. Baby, it's cold outside. It's really a gorgeous book. And then you have some boxes, and I'm not sure if you're going to be able to write on those or not. They do feel not completely like clear, but they do feel kind of like the plasticky feel to them. So I don't know how you would write on those, but I'll figure it out soon enough, right? Look at that girl with the beautiful dress. Oh my lord. Okay, and then we have these girls, and that one would be perfect for like a new year. And I'm in love with the little dress with heels with the Christmas lights. That's so adorable. And then we have Happy Hanukkah. And we have all of these girls, which are absolutely gorgeous. It's a wonderful time of the year. And then this is actually my screensaver on a phone. That's how much I love that girl. I also have the notebook. I think it's gorgeous. And then the girl with the wreaths, I'm obsessed with. Like, look how cute they are. This could be like a little awesome. Look at these, the bubbly. Oh, I really love all of these stickers. They're adorable. And you get so many of them. She doesn't give you just one. She gives you multiple ones, so you can kind of spread them around or use them in multiple spreads, which is awesome. And then it's not just girls and fashion, but it's like other items too. And there's coffee and little like gingerbread houses. It's adorable. Look at the mug. It's awesome. And my favorite girl with the skirt and the lights is there. And then coffee. And that's the last page, and I think it is absolutely stunning. And this is what the back of it looks like. So it shows you all the stickers and all about RongRong. And now I'm gonna get into the KellofaPlan. I had this book for a little bit. I haven't used it yet, but I thought I'm going to share with you guys. So we have the black boxes, which are so interesting and different. And look at these florals. Oh my lord. And then we have a black and white situation. And I love black and white stickers. You guys know that already. And then you have black and white flowers, which is awesome. And then we have like fuchsia pink, almost purple. That's pretty. That's really pretty. And look at these florals. Oh my gosh, they are so vibrant. And then we have a Christmas thing going on here with the poinsettias. I think that's truly gorgeous. And then look at these florals for Christmas. Oh, I am in love. And then this is like a red and green that could also be Christmas. I think that's adorable. And look at these florals, they're adorable too. And then this is probably my favorite one. This is why I got the book. The peach and the grays are something that I am all about. I love these kind of earthly subtle tones like this. And And then we have this one, which is so spring-like. It's amazing with all of those flowers, and the flowers are humongous and they're so vibrant. And then we have this one, which this one I'm not too crazy about, but the florals are gorgeous. Look at this. They remind me of like midsummer pool day. And then of course the peach and the navy blue are another one of my favorites. So the gray and the peach and then blue and the pinks are kind of what I live for. And then this one is also very pretty. Look at these florals. And that's it. So those are the 2 books. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye.